guys, Pt.1 Electric. We're back with another one. Today we're at Connections Early Years. Issue they've been having for years is space. So putting an addition onto the building to give more capacity for more children, to help more people. If something you need is, you need childcare, you're in a situation where you can't find childcare, for sure check out Connections online. We'll put their info in the description below if you need to take a peek, if you need some help, if you think they could be of service for you, feel free to check them out. So what you guys are going to see today is the very early stages of construction. Then we're checking with the contractor, we're checking with these guys on site. Hey, is there anything you think you need us to do? Like on the way to this site, they actually called and said, hey guys, we're going to build formed concrete walls. Do you need to get through these walls at all? Answer was yes. We didn't totally think of it. We didn't totally plan for it, but guess what? No problem, boys. When are you foreman? We're here. Let's get the forms in. Let me help you to do what you have to do. Oscar Construction's taking care of this job site. They're doing a stand-up job. They have a schedule for us. The schedule is set. We know exactly when we need to be here. So not much for us now, but stay tuned. More content coming, more videos coming. We'll take a deep dive on this one. This is a cool job. I think you guys are gonna like it.